Support for RSAT is officially coming to an end on May 15, 2027. If your team relies on Dynamics 365 Finance and Supply Chain, this is the time to start planning your transition. Let's look at why it's important to act now.
Microsoft has set a hard deadline. After May 15, 2027, there will be no technical support, bug fixes, or updates for RSAT. It is critical to plan your migration strategy well before this date, especially if your organization manages complex business processes.
For many teams, this deprecation comes as no surprise. Common challenges with RSAT include a heavy front-loaded setup, brittle recordings that break with simple UI updates, increasing maintenance costs, and a narrow scope that often excludes essential integration testing.
When building a regression suite, you have two choices: constructing one from scratch yourself or assembling it from pre-built resources. Assembling allows you to leverage over 1,000 ready-to-use journeys, saving significant time and providing better resilience across updates.
To prepare, follow these 4 steps. Inventory your current automated processes, identify gaps in your coverage, evaluate alternatives while you still have time, and finally, migrate forward to a more resilient solution without having to rebuild from scratch. The good news is that the coverage already exists. You don't have to start with a blank page. With over 1,000 pre-built journeys from Virtuoso QA, you can save hundreds of hours of work and turn this required migration into an upgrade for your team.